In this video, we're going to talk about how much does it cost to open a Charles Schwab account. So, in short, there's absolutely no fees to open or maintain your account. However, other account fees, fund expenses, and brokerage commissions may apply. So I'm going to show you how this works. Now, on their website, they openly state that US, you have to online listed equity trades are 0, okay? And you have no service fees whatsoever. Over here, you get access to online tools and research, and you get a satisfaction guarantee. Now, down here, you can also see that they offer you convenient cash access and management, and you have no ATM fees anywhere while you use the Schwab Visa debit card at any ATM in the world, because they will refund your fees, okay? Now, that's essentially it. So in order for you to be able to open a Charles Schwab account, it doesn't cost anything, and essentially it is completely free. You get no service fee, and you'll have to not pay anything to be able to open an account. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.